Good morning to all present over here. So this is Suraj Pawar. Come back with the new concept or the things which is having related to what is the FAQ. So what is mean by FAQ? Then how we can make the FAQ? Means for example, it's a frequently asked questions. For example, if you want to, you just choose an any tech kind of like Angular, Python, Java, C++, any languages, okay? And if you want to integrate your chatbot, you have to make one chatbot and you have to like automatically your website, and in that someone will ask the questions regarding with that tech, like for example Java and Python. So you can just like there is a one chatbot which is signing on the right side, then just click on that, just give the command, like for example, what is overloading, what is a super keyword. So you have just asked kind of thing, and automatically the chatbot will reply to you or your answer. So this is, let's see how we can make it and how we can interact it with this like different platforms which is present. So here is like I need to like Dialogflow. Based on the Dialogflow platform, I'm using this FAQ like question and answering. It's kind of interview questions I just chosen for this. So here's the description and all which is present. If you want to choose in any languages, you can. There are a lot of languages which is present: Hindi, English, Marathi, and any French, Germany, and all. Then ML settings based on that, you can settings based on like correcting and all. You can import export environmental speech share if you want to share your dashboard, or we can say sorry, it's meant if you want to share with your chatbot with others, you can. So what is the having intent? So when we click on intents, so it's like there is a by default these tools are present over there, like default intents which is present. So when we click on that, so here is like different text responses which is already present over here. Hi, hello, sorry. If something mistake which has happened, so it should be default in the default intent, right? Like sorry, repeat again, one more time, and kind of things, right? So after that, when we goes to the having like default welcome intent, which is right. So here is the like training phase, which is hi, hello. When we have to initially we have to put it, so automatically we have to get the response like default response we have already setting like hello and welcome to our integrative chatbot. How may I help you? Kind of things, right? You may add different things. You may also integrate this chatbot with Google Assistant, then Dialogflow, Gateway, Slack, then Telegram, Text, Skype, and all, right? So there is an intent. So intently we have not given anything. So just we have to like this. So we were going to the just save, click on that save button. Then after that we have make the acknowledge based on the as a theory tag we have just chosen based on that, like Python, Java, and Angular. Let's see, like opening the one by one. So here is a Angular doc which is present. So we can, if we want to view, so we have just acknowledge transfer one. So we have integrated with the Google Assistant. So based on that, if you want to see this, like when we view the details, so there are the different questions which is present that we have already enabled, like what are the controls, then what is the difference between Angular and Angular JS, then what are the string interpolation in Angular, and all those things. So there are a lot of, and we can also make this kind of FAQ with different, like for example, we can also make in TCM CSV file or Excel sheet, and after that we have to just put it or import this sheet into this. So this is all about it, and before that we have to just enable, click on this and enable. If you want to enable all, enable. If you want to disable one thing, so you can, or if you want to delete or cancel based on your requirement. Weakness and strongness, so how the strongness and weakness of your questions, whatever you have to asking, it should be matched with your already which is present over here. So this is all about like strongness and weakness part. So these are the like integrations. So how we can integration having, I already said to you that there is a Google Assistant which is present. So we have like there are a number of options also present, like uh different platforms which is from telephonic, then after that having web demo, developer messenger, telegram, Geek, then after that Twitter and all. So let's see how we can having get the questioning answers based on that integration with our Google Assistant. So when we click on this, so we have to automatically go in this side. So we have to just skip it, and after that cancel, and we have to go for the test question. So how we can test it? So based on, so what happened, I have already like my some kind of questions I have just already put it. So when I just click on this, so what is the polymorphism, so I just copied it, I click on this.
Alright, let's get the test version of chatbot FAQ.
Hello, and welcome to our interactive chatbot. Can I help you in any way?
Yes, paste your query.
Polymorphism is briefly described as one interface, many implementations. Polymorphism is a characteristic of being able to assign a different meaning or usage to something in different contexts. Specifically, to allow an entity such as a variable, a function, or an object to have more than one form.
You can also copy like this.
Angular was introduced to create single-page applications. This framework brings structure and consistency to web applications and provides excellent scalability and maintainability. Angular is an open-source, JavaScript framework wholly written in TypeScript. It uses HTML syntax to express your application's components clearly.
Or you can also speak with this like this. What is super?
Super is a keyword which is used to access the method or member variables from the superclass. If a method hides one of the member variables in its superclass, the method can refer to the hidden variable through the use of the super keyword. In the same way, if a method overrides one of the methods in its superclass, the method can invoke the overridden method through the use of the super keyword. Note: you can only go back one level. In the constructor, if you use super, it must be the very first code, and you cannot access any this.xxx variables or methods to compute its parameters.
So this is about like how we can make like different FAQs, and we also like other part what we can do, that we can make one like in Facebook page. We have like Facebook page, we have to create it one, then after that we have to integrate this chatbot with our Facebook page, like for example FAQ of Python, FAQ of Angular, and FAQ of Java. Based on that, if anyone asks question like what is Angular, what is the difference between Angular and AngularJS, so automatically this chatbot, you having already fitted this like interview questions and all, so automatically it should be respond. So this is all about like how we can having use of the Dialogflow by using the acknowledgement based on that. So hope you like it. Thank you so much for being there.